Treat, huh? Treat me to a day of peace and quiet. Trick me into thinking you gonna act right when I get observed. Y'all wanna hear a ghost tale? Once upon a time, there was a quiz. Even though Mr. Brown gave out all the answers, the students still failed. But don't worry, there will be another quiz tomorrow. I wear a costume every day, son. It's called Happy Teacher. I fake that real well. It's already a school of goons and goblins. When all these students is off their meds, this campus is like Fright Fest 19. Everything about this school is spooky. I don't see why it's so hard to dress up. Y'all always act like zombies. Every time I ask y'all to repeat the directions I just explained. And Tony, I'm convinced that you are already the boogeyman in the flesh. Who am I? I'm a comedian named Eddie B. Who is that? That's somebody who helps me not to strangle somebody. Some of y'all should have came dressed up like a straight A student. If that was too scary for y'all. Looking at this grade book is scarier than any monster I've ever seen. That's right, I didn't do my homework because we went to go see the Addams Family. Ain't no excuse to not do your work. There ain't no excuse to not do your work. You about to flunk. This whole campus seems like one big haunted house. Want to see something spooky? Go take a peek in the teacher class who can't control her students.